playing with numbers. Number 1, lesson 4. At the end of this lesson, the student will be able to recognize number 1, trace and say number 1. Okay, let's see this video.
Jack Cartman, Kids Music Channel.
I can show the number 1 in many ways. Look and sing along and let's learn today. I can show the number 1 in many ways. I can show the number 1 as a picture, like this.
1,
I can show the number 1 as a numeral, like this.
1,
I can show the number 1 in a 5 frame, like this.
1,
I can show the number 1 in a 10 frame, like this.
1,
I can show the number 1 in many ways. I can show the number 1 with a tally mark, like this.
1,
I can show the number 1 on a number line, like this.
1.
Okay, students. Now open your textbook page number 7 to 8. Here is number 1. 1, 1. 1 ice cream. Here is 1 ice cream. Read with me. 1 ice cream. Read with me. 1 ice cream. Okay, let's see how to trace the number 1.
To write the number 1, we start at the top and we make a straight line down. A 1 is simply one straight line. Start at the top and go straight down. Okay? I'm going to draw or write the number 1. Start at the top and go straight down. Start at the top and go straight down. You can do another one over here. Start at the top and go straight down. 1, 1. One more. Start at the top and go straight down. 1. Sometimes the number 1 looks a little different than just a straight line. Here is an example of 1 elephant. This is just 1 elephant, but this 1 looks a little different than this one, but it's still a 1. 1 elephant. Here's another example of a 1. It's a little bit different shape, but it's still the number 1. Here's a 1. This one looks more similar. It's just one straight line, but it's a little rounded on the ends. Here's another 1. This is still 1, even though it looks a little different. So to represent one item, we use the number 1.
Okay, now open page number 8 of your textbook. Here is also number 1. Okay, let's start. Join the dot to make a 1. Right? Join these dot to make a 1. जी जल्दी से पेंसिल उठाएं और इन डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करें और नंबर 1 राइट करें और साथ क्या बोलेंगे a straight line and then we're done. Number 1 is lots of fun. Good. Yes, a straight lines and then we're done. Number 1 is lots of fun. Excellent. जी इसी तरह ट्रेस नंबर 1 with your index finger. जी अपनी फिंगर यहाँ रखिए और इसको भी ट्रेस कीजिए. आपको पता है ना आपकी इंडेक्स फिंगर कौन सी है जी? इंडेक्स फिंगर रखिए और यहाँ पे ट्रेस कीजिए जी, a straight line, and then we're done. Number 1 is lots of fun. Excellent. Okay, next will be your homework task. You write workbook page number 13 and 14. This is page number 13. होमवर्क में भी आप इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे डॉट्स को, इन डॉट्स को, और राइट करेंगे, और ये भी आप क्या करेंगे, डॉट्स ज्वाइन करके इसके ऊपर राइट करेंगे. ओके ओके. नेक्स्ट पेज वंस अगेन, लुक एट द नंबर, इसको आप देखें, ड्रॉ इनसाइड, इसके अंदर आप ड्रॉ करें, ट्रेस द नंबर, और यहाँ पे आप नंबर ट्रेस करें. राइट, इसी तरह ड्रॉ इनसाइड एंड ट्रेस द नंबर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, होमवर्क अच्छा सा करना है आपने. अगले लेसन तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.